Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Jackson.
Hi.
This is Presley.
Hi.
And this is Harper. Today, we're making Valentine's gift for Mommy. Chocolate covered strawberries. And
sprinkles.
oh, with sprinkles. So first, we wash the strawberries and Presley helped me out. Now we're gonna dry it with paper towels so it will stick to the melted chocolate better. You want the sprinkles? So here we have white chocolate.
And
What color is this?
pink chocolate.
Pink chocolate.
And
this is chocolate, and red chocolate. Here we got skewers, so we don't get our hands dirty. Yes, and we got wax paper to let the chocolate harden up in the fridge. So with all that said, we're gonna melt the chocolate and we'll be right back, all right? So here we go, guys. We got all the towels ready. Okay, you wanna pick out the good strawberries and you wanna dry it with the paper towels. Go ahead and do that. And Harper, you go ahead. You wanna eat? Here. Go ahead and do it, guys. No, you don't eat that. Here. All right, the good strawberries for covered chocolate strawberries or like the big ones. You wanna just like damp it.
Is this big?
That's it. And just put it in here.
This big?
Oh, that's a big one.
Is that the big one?
Yeah. You wanna cover all the strawberries.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, put it in there, Presley.
Yeah.
Yep.
That is right enough.
Yep, that's dry enough. Okay. After you finish after you finish drying it, then we're gonna melt the chocolate. While y'all dry it, I'm gonna melt the chocolate.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, that's high.
That's right. It's almost.
Okay, guys, we are ready. We finished drying the strawberries and we melted all the chocolate. So with the chocolate, we bought these at Michael's. Michael's have everything. So we microwaved it in these small bowls. First 1 minute, and then you mix it up, and then another minute to melt the whole chocolate. And you repeat it with all the colors. So, with further ado, let's start.
Okay.
You want to push all the leaves down like this so you could dip the chocolate. You got it?
Is this right?
Yeah, that's a good job.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep, and then you take the skewer and you poke the bottom of the strawberry. I'm gonna do pink first. So you take that, yep, and you swirl it around.
Okay.
Hold on, let Daddy do it first. You do another color.
I'll do.
Yeah, do, what color is that?
Black.
Okay. And then get all the excess off.
What?
And then you get
Melted.
and dip the strawberries like that. And then I got these wax paper, you can put it down. Just like that. Oh, good job, Presley.
Okay.
Yeah. Make sure you cover it. Don't make a mess, Jackson, over there. Don't let the leaf touch it, Jax. So you don't want the leaf to touch it. See like that, Presley? Good job. Now we put it over here, okay?
Okay then.
Okay, now you get another one, Presley.
Okay.
See, what Jackson did, he got big strawberry. Oh, it's getting everywhere. So with the leaves, you don't want it to touch the chocolate. But that's fine, we can practice makes perfect. Here, Jackson.
Do it again.
Yeah, do some more. We're gonna do the whole basket.
Okay.
You gotta push the leaves down. You forgot to push the leaves down, Presley.
Okay.
Ooh, look at these big old strawberries. These are huge.
It's big.
Yeah. So, like that, and push the leaves down so you don't get the chocolate on the chocolate on the leaves. Okay? Yep, do whatever color you want.
I want that.
Try not to get the leaves. I'm gonna do white.
I gotta do pink.
Good job. That's good job. That's enough, Jackson.
12. It's melting.
Yeah. So hold on, Jack. Let me help you out.
Yeah.
Let go. Let go.
Put me out too.
Oops. It fell. But here we go. Ooh, my white one came out pretty good.
Hey. Look. Melting.
Okay, guys. That's how you do it. We're going to do all this, and we'll be right back. All right?
Daddy. Go this one.
Okay. Now let's open the top of that. Okay, now sprinkle the one that you like. Sprinkle it. Yeah, right here. That one, the other one too. Oh, good job. Presley, what do you like? Which one sprinkle do you like?
I want this.
Okay, open the top up.
Yeah.
I help you. Okay.
Okay.
Now you sprinkle these two because we just did them.
This?
Yeah, sprinkled it. No, this one over here.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, sprinkle one over here.
I'll do myself.
Okay, do it yourself. Okay. Put up high. Sprinkle the other one too.
Hi.
Sprinkle that other one too. Put it on top. Put it on top of the strawberry. Do you want to try one? Which one you want to try? Okay, pick it up. Show the camera. Is it hardened yet? Is it still melted? It's hard?
It's hard.
Okay. Put the thing down. Okay, try it out. How is it? You like it? It's good.
How you make a mess?
I make a mess. I'm not a pro. Let's do this one.
See?
So here you go, guys. We finished. The kids are so tired of doing strawberries, so they left me on my own. Here we got bamboo rods to wrap the strawberries up. We got boxes to put the strawberries in. We got tissue papers, and we got bedding for the boxes.
I want to help you.
Okay, and then we got ribbons to tie it. Okay guys, here you go, final product. It's not the best in the world. Of course, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone right now. It's Valentine's. You know, I just want to do something special for my wife and have fun with the kids. So this is how you do it, super easy. You know, you can be creative with it. And I hope you like the video. If you like it, please smash the like button and consider subscribing. It will help out the channel a lot. And I'm gonna see you next time, all right? Thank you so much. Bye.